Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money as a complete newbie with this website. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Okay, so this is the website that we'll be using today. This is the brand new platform that we'll be using to make money on a semi-automated basis. But there's one more thing that we need to set up before anything else. You must go first to redbubble.com. Redbubble is a website where you can sell your designs as well as a wide range of other products. Dresses, hoodies, sweatshirts, leggings, skirts, socks, t-shirts, tank tops, and other items and accessories are all available to sale. Stickers, masks, phone covers, wall art, home and lifestyle products, and other items that can all be printed with your designs. Redbubble is different from other merchants in that you don't have to own the items to use them. You will not be required to keep an inventory, nor will you be required to keep any of the items in your physical possession. You simply need to upload your design and they will immediately print it on all of the other goods for you. All you have to do is drive traffic to those products and they'll take care of the rest. I'll show you how to get absolutely free, immediate traffic with a brand new website that has nothing to do with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or any other social media platform. It's genuinely unique and you'll love it because it's totally free. There's no need to wait any longer because it's instantaneous. To do this work, simply follow the steps in this video. I'll show you how to do it step by step, so just follow along and you'll be ready to start making money as soon as the video ends. So go to redbubble.com, click on this icon which is your account, and then sell your art. Don't worry, you don't need to be an artist or a designer to do this because I'll show you how to make those designs in just a few minutes using a completely free program. As you can see, you have these choices. Build your items, start your business, or do both if you want to be a little more advanced. However, we will begin by manufacturing simple items and you will be rewarded through this website, of course. You have the option of selecting your preferred payment method. You will have the option of selecting how you want to be paid. Let's leave that aside for a while and focus on some practical ways to make money. Then set up your payment method and collect your earnings. So first and foremost, go to this page, then go to the dashboard, and then to add design selection. As you can see, you have the option of uploading a new work or replicating an existing piece. Obviously, you will have no previous work if this is a new account. All you have to do now is go to the left-hand side of the screen and select this option to add a new job. Where do you go to get those designs and how to get them done if you're not a professional designer? If you don't want to pay for those designs or use any of those overpriced and sophisticated software tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or whatever, you can simply go to Snappa.com. This is a website where you may download a variety of free templates and designs. So while Snappa.com does have some purchase options, you can definitely get started for free. This is the place where you may get those designs at no cost. As you can see, there are a range of templates to pick from, but none of them will meet our needs. As a result, you must take the following actions. Go to the customized graphic size and type 2200 by 2200, then click Create. You'll be taken to a blank page where you can begin designing your product. You can choose from a variety of backdrop colors and designs on the left. You may add various effects and text to your products if you want them to have some text on them, or if you want some t-shirts with text or whatever. You may choose from a variety of graphics, which is a good option because as you can see, they have some fantastic designs to use on your items. I'd want to use this one as an example. It's as simple as clicking to it and it'll blend right in with my design. Yes, I am able to customize it. That's something I can't get rid of. If I don't like it, I can enlarge or remove it. So simply experiment with several concepts till you come up with something appealing and reputable that people will want to purchase. So to explain how it works, it'll just select something at random and write some texts. So all you have to do is select the text, alter it as needed, and then double click it to type in anything you want. You can modify the font's colors, size, boldness, italic, underlining, and of course, underlining. It's entirely adjustable like I indicated. When you're ready, click the download button to save your design as a high-resolution PNG file. Now that it's on my computer, it's ready to upload to redbubble.com. So go to redbubble.com, click upload new word, double click on your design and wait for it to load. Your design will be added to all of the Redbubble's product right instantly, including t-shirts, phones, cases, pillows, vehicles, and posters, as well as shower curtains and other items. You can sell all of them since, as you can see, it can be printed on a variety of goods with just one button click. All you have to do now is start generating traffic to those things, and you'll get a cut off the sale without ever having to store and ship anything. That's why it's so simple. All you have to do is upload a design and start driving traffic. Redbubble will handle the rest of the work for you, including designing the t-shirt, printing it, shipping it, and providing customer service. That is why it is suitable for complete beginners. As you can see, it does not necessitate any prior knowledge or special abilities, and it can be completed in under 5 minutes. Of course, you should not create random designs. Instead, I suggest that you select and produce something that is relevant to and related to a certain issue. For example, you may make a t-shirt with a cat design to appeal to a cat enthusiast, or a football design to appeal to the football fanatics. Concentrating on a particular category will make it easier for you to market the goods. So if I want to keep you on track of people who like animals, I make a design similar to this, download it, and then publish it to Redbubble. Once your design has been published, you'll be able to open it on redbubble.com, and the page will look somewhat like this. So every time someone hits the website, they can read more about t-shirt, view all of the different images, click add to cart, and buy it, and you will receive a percentage of the sale, which will quickly mount up with the free traffic source that I'll discuss with you in a minute. Assume that this is your store and that this is your goods. All you have to do now is copy the link that takes people to your page. Simply copy this address and visitors will be directed to your exact products. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Let's start driving traffic right now. To get instant traffic, I highly recommend using Parler.com, a brand new social networking platform that is quite comparable to Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Even though it is a new website, the difference between Parler and those other social media platforms is that it is brand fresh, making it much easier to send out. This gadget right here will show us that this website obtains over 5.2 million monthly visitors. If I open up a similar online, this website is receiving a lot of traffic and has a lot of potential for complete beginners. So go to Parler.com. Click on Make a New Account and sign up for free. It's available all over the world. All countries are accepted. Simply establish an account and log in. Once you've logged in, this is what it will look like. This is your personal profile. As you can see, I joined 1 day ago. Therefore, I joined yesterday. I have no followers at all. As you can see, my account has 0 followers, yet my post has already received over 300 views. So even if you're a complete beginner with no followers, you can get instant traffic with the website as soon as you create an account, because it is currently a brand new website with not a lot of people posting it, but there are a lot of people using it, as you can see, so you can attract targeted people. Now, I advise you to concentrate on a specific niche in order to sell your designs, because you will be able to attract people who are interested in that category, Parlor.com. So let's assume I'm a designer of animal-themed clothing. I simply need to go to Parlor.com and create a post that says something along those lines to attract animal lovers. For example, if I really enjoy the store, I'll use emojis to make it more enticing and engaging. As a result, I'll employ animals emojis in this circumstance. So let's say this one, and I'll also provide a connection to my company because I enjoy this retail and will include my link. This is how you attract true targeted customers who will be interested in purchasing items from your business. In this case, I'm marking an animal-themed clothing store. So I can use a hashtag animal. The more hashtags you use, the more exact they are. The more people you can attract, the better. So let's start with animals, animal lover, animal adoration, and so on. Use hashtags like hashtag sports, hashtag sportsman, hashtag football, and hashtag basketball if your designs are about sports. If you use hashtags, people who are interested in a certain topic will be more likely to check out your business and buy some of your products. When you're done, simply click Parlor, which on this website means publish, and it will be immediately posted to your Parlor account. Another wonderful way to attract targeted people is to use the search bar to hunt for your specialty. So, for example, I can reach for animals, pets, or anything else and obtain a list of all the different pages relating to my topic. So, for instance, I'll go to their fans and introduce them to this amusing animal style. They have 1,000 followers, as you can see, and we know that those who follow this page are animal lovers. So I can just go to their followers and start following them to stimulate their interest, encouraging them to check out my postings and enhance the possibility that they will buy my stuff. The more individuals you follow on Redbubble.com, the better. If you want to buy something with my designs, the more people you know, the better. Make sure they're targeted in the sense that they're aimed at a specific group of people who are interested in the same subject as your designs. This is a tremendous opportunity, and I strongly suggest that you seize it before it becomes oversaturated. It's perfect right now because it's a brand new website where even complete beginners can rapidly get started. You can make money even if this is your first day online. As you can see, it's quite easy to follow and takes less than 5 minutes to finish. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.